Nakarin is still dangerous though with that left hand.
Matapos tamaan ng solidong kaliwa ng ating kababayan na si KJ Natugplag, halos hindi pa bangunin ng Thai boxer na si Atanong Punlawong. Noong June 24, 2022, nakuha niya dito ang WBC, Asian Boxing Council Featherweight title. Makalipas lamang ang 5 buwan, isang Thai boxer na naman ang sumubok sa lakas ng ating pambato. Ginanap muli ang laban sa Dubai. Haharapin niya dito ang knockout artist na si Boon Riwang Payum. May 10 wins, 10 knockouts at may isa lamang talo. Habang si KJ Natugplag may 10 panalo, 3 talo, ang siyam dito ay tinapos via knockout. Nakataya ang bakanteng WBO Oriental Featherweight Belt. 2 round lang ang tinagal ng laban. Sa umpisa maagang nagpakawala ng mga power punch si Natugplag. Ganon din naman ang Thai fighter.
Jab, PJ, jab!
Nakandigin muna kababa, nagwayaw. Idistom na kanawan mo. Yan.
Napahawak at napayakap na lang sa referee ang Thai boxer dahil sa hilo nito. At nang bitawan ng referee, makikitang matindi ang suntok na tumama dito, diretso sa lubid. Nito nga lang pong March 30, 2023, muli na namang napalaban si KJ Natuplag sa isa na namang Thai boxer na si Nakrin Hangyu. Gaya ng sinapit ng kanyang kababayan, knockout din ang inabot nito sa kamay ni KJ. Atin pong panuuri ng laban na tumagal lang ng isang round.
Good rinse to the body here from KJ. Stiff jab from KJ as well. Nakrin in and out here, trying to get his timing right. Wraps up here by KJ in the clinch. KJ advancing forward, Nakrin on the ropes. Huge left hand just missing there from Nakrin. Clever tactics from the Thai fighter, just trying to time KJ as he comes in. That big left hand, very sharp, almost like a sniper's shot, that left hand, but good flurry from KJ as he pushes Nakrin back onto the ropes. Good 1-2 from Nakrin. Pushed away here. Nakrin moving across to his right, throwing a big left hand again. It's very clever, Nakrin. He's got the right tactics to fight an orthodox by just angling to his right and then using that left hand as fast as he can, straight down the middle to try and catch KJ as he comes in, close the distance. So he's doing it here. Very clever tactic there from Nakrin. But as soon as KJ gets Nakrin in the pocket, very clever and very good at. There you go, big jab, big overhand left there from KJ. Left to the body and then right hook from Nakrin. It's definitely been KJ with the powerful shots, but Nakrin with the accurate and sharp shots on the back foot. Just trying to bait KJ as he comes in and fire that left hand at will. He's trying to find an angle for it now, circling to his right and to his left. KJ missing with the right uppercut. Work Nakrin with shots like that on the inside. He doesn't want to do. Big right hook there. Nakrin is still dangerous though with that left hand.
Dapa ang kalaban, halos hindi makagalaw matapos tamaan ng right straight ng ating kababayan na si KJ Natuplag.